Essenes, and for today's video, magbe-bake tayo ng chocolate chunk cookies. So, actually hindi ko to recipe to ni Solanusa, pero ever since kasi, ito na yung ginagamit ko na recipe. Kasi sa dami nang na-try ko, ito na yung sobrang sarap. As in, sobrang sarap talaga. So, gawin na natin, agad-agad. So, what you'll be needing is 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 egg and egg yolk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and lastly, 1 cup of chocolate chunks, or you can always add up any toppings of your choice. So let's start off by mixing 3/4 cup butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and the 1/2 cup of white sugar. Then mix it thoroughly. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng hand mixer and set it for 2 minutes, pero okay lang din naman yung by hand, like so. Then add the vanilla extract and the egg yolks. Again, haluin lang ulit. Then in another bowl, sift the 2 cups of flour. Pwede rin nyo namang hindi na kayo mag-sift kung ang nabili nyo is yung pre-sifted na, pero kasi binili ko lang to sa tindahan, so just to be sure. Then add the 2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix it thoroughly. Next is we're going to mix up our dry mixture and our wet mixture. So when baking cookies, ang lagi nating tandaan ay dapat dry to wet. So ganyan, dapat paunti-unti natin siyang ilalagay para mas madali natin siyang hahaluin at mas mahahalo siya. Magiging sobrang nakakangalay ito, but it's going to be worth it. Next ay hiwain na natin ang ating chocolate bar into chunks. Pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng chocolate chips at ng iba't iba pang uri ng chocolate. Just be creative. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng iba't ibang toppings at ng nuts. Then ilagay na natin siya sa dough. Then this is how it should look like. Then after nun, pwede nyo na siya ilagay sa ref for 2 hours. Pero ako kasi, ginagawa ko, binibake ko siya kinaumagahan na para mas makuha niya yung lasa. After 1 day, ayan, matigas na siya. Then portion it into your desired amount and put it in the oven for 7 minutes. Pero depende kasi sa cookie kung gaano siya kanipis at kalaki, kaya bantayan nyo na lang. After 7 minutes, ganyan na siya. Okay lang kahit hindi pa siya masyado mukhang luto, pero kasi mabibake na siya on itself sa baking tray. And okay yun kasi mas magiging chewy siya kapag kinain natin. Then it's done. You just made your own chocolate chunk cookie. So thank you guys for watching and hope you guys like it. See you in the next vlog.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been